What's up, guys? Pepe here. Well, who recognizes this? Well, this is an NSX update. I drove the car today, went for my training. I do some climbing training and in the morning. So I went there, parked the car, and then I tried to leave and the car didn't start. So, yep, this is the main relay of the car. It's called main relay. It's this one. And yeah, so basically I came here. Well, somebody helped me pushing, so we pushed the car, started in second, and started. Everything works except that it doesn't start from the key. It doesn't engage the starter, and this relay is responsible for that. So I came here, I stopped the car, tried to start, it didn't work. It smells kind of burned, so I think this might actually get hot over time. But you know, some forums in NSX Primes, they say that the welds crack over time, which is true in very old circuits. You know, they crack. You can't really see them unless you use a 200x magnifier, you know, USB thing that I do have. So, but anyways, I clean all the welds and put new weld in it with flux and everything, and it works now. But I'm not 100% sure if it's going to work all the time and if it's going to get hot. So when it's cold, it's going to work, but not when it's hot. So this could be this coils here too, which, well, this is the relay in itself, I guess. So I'm going to, I put it on the car and it started right away, but again, the car hasn't been run in a while, since the morning. So I am going to keep an eye on it and measure the temperature after I drive it and see if it gets hot. And then if it gets hot and it doesn't work, then I know that that's a problem. But if not, I mean, this just happened today, which is, and it's a cold day. It's not a super warm day. We are in, you know, fall, so it's not summer. And so I'm going to measure with the infrared thermometer, see if it gets hot while driving. When I stopped in the place I'm going, you know, and then, which I'm going on Wednesday to the same place. So if it gets hot, if it's hot when I'm there, then and then after that doesn't work, then I will know that that's the issue. Although actually it doesn't make sense either, because I trained for 2 hours, so the car was cold when I tried to start it. So I think that maybe I was bad luck, that basically, you know, when you drive, maybe it gets a little bit hot and you end up cracking the weld, and that's why I didn't have contact or something. That's my guess. I don't know. But anyhow, so I rewelded everything, so it seems to work now. I mean, the worst case scenario is that one of these two guys is bad, I guess. The diodes are not bad, because otherwise it wouldn't work, and that's a resistor, so it could be one of these two guys, which, you know, they flex, electromagnetic field, boom, pushes the thing, so maybe the contact's inside, so maybe this could be replaced, and I don't know. It's cheaper anyways to replace this if they sell them than actually buying the relay, because it's like $80, I think, US, so pretty expensive. Anyhow, I will keep you guys updated, but this is the first time that the NSX let me stranded, so hopefully this fix will do it. So I will keep you guys updated. Okay, stay safe. Bye.